What's up, guys? Bingo here with another follow-up unboxing. So I just finished with the Lenovo Legion Pro 7, and I also got this Ilano laptop cooler, which I brought with the laptop. So this cooler has been gaining much traction on TikTok, YouTube. Everyone has been talking about it. Apparently, it is the best laptop cooler. Apologies for the shaking. My camera holder is not that stable, but anyway, it's a laptop cooler. This is the V12, which is the one with RGB and the bigger one, I think. And we're gonna have a quick unboxing here. And yeah, I just finished the setting up the Legion Pro 7. I'll give it a quick show later, but keep tuned for a much detailed-esque review. It's not much of a quick review, but anyway, if you want to watch out for that, make sure you're subscribed. And we got the cooler here. It's a very basic box. I would say that this is quite boring. I mean, oh, feels like an earthquake right there with the camera. That's it. That's the box. That's just, I paid like 170 Australian dollars for this, around 100 US dollars. And I am quite, I like a good packaging, okay? I like products with good packaging. So we got the cooler itself and some mesh pads. Okay, so let's take this off. Now that shakiness a lot. Hopefully Pixel Pro can stabilize it. I'm also using like a 0.5. Oh, I think Barcelona just won. Yeah, the game's still on, by the way. And it's still extra time, so let's continue here. I'm too distracted. We got some basic packaging. It looks like, man, I would give this a really, not a good packaging, but hey, it's the product that's important, right? We got the cooler itself, which is really massive. I don't know how I'm gonna fit this in my setup, because I'll show you guys in a future video. I switched to an ultra wide, and I'm not sure if this is gonna fit in that table, but yeah, we got the cooler here. Oh, the game's still going. And there's some drama with the handball. I don't know if anyone watching is actually into football, but yeah, it's using this basic power cable. AC adapter. And get some, I think this goes here. I think so. I'm not sure. USB-C, which is always nice. Got the cooler manual. Yeah, it says here that it can suitable for 15.6 and above, 36 watts of power, 300 to 2800 RPM, RGB, some USB expansion, different levels, and memory foam, speed, and all that jazz. Yeah, let's give it a go. It's a cooling pad. What's complicated about that? So it has this cooling pad which says please this side down. Okay. I am quite worried about this memory foam, because I'm pretty sure this could like deteriorate and fall apart into pieces. So hopefully it stays on for quite a while. We got this. I like this dial knob and extension output, 3 USB-A's, 1 USB-C. Power output, nothing on the side. And at the back, it's like an Alienware sort of like a design. I guess that's for the RGB. So you got some quick instructions. Long press for 2 seconds to power on and off. M, switch light modes, and switch color, which they're not tactile, so I'm guessing they're just touch. Let's give this. Oh, and Barcelona just won, confirmed 2-1. The boys are going to the semifinals. Oh, there we go. I'm gonna put this over here, over there, over there. Is it on? Oh, yeah, it says long press for 2 seconds. Ooh. Got 360 RGB. Can I see that? That is sleek, actually. It's like, let's try and see that with like no lights. Full RGB experience. So this is 300. I'm gonna have to mute that one first so we can have like a, I don't know if my Pixel 9 Pro has good enough mic, but it's the best we got. That's 300, 500. Oh wow, bro. That is an airport right there. That's so much air. I'm gonna give you guys a quick comparison, okay? So let's turn this off. This is what my PC sounds like. Yeah, we got 3 fans, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 fans, and that's like, sounds like that. Meanwhile, this thing has like one big fan, and the 300 RPMs, it's like the same sound as my PC. Let's compare that to another. I got a air purifier here. I think that's on quiet right now. Let's put that into turbo. I think you can still hear the. That is on turbo. So imagine I'll be turbo, and I still got the laptop. This is, I guess my room is gonna be an airport. But anyway, enough with that. And imagine if I still have the inverter on. Let's turn this off to sleep. Let's focus on this one, but yeah, that is quite loud, I'm gonna tell you. I think the 300, they said that the 300 is enough. It's like a basic cooling. I'm just amazed by that. It's like, wow. But anyway, let's try and see if, let's put the lights back on. Have a better look. So we can see, has it turned on? Turned off by itself. You can see here, there's a mesh. Oh, I guess it's a replacement mesh. This one replaces that one. So, you know, because that's gonna take all the dust and stuff. There's a adjustment for, oh, double adjustment, so you can actually get that pretty high up there. And we got the laptop here. We got some feet to keep our laptop secured. See the whole thing. And if we do this, yeah, I mean, that's airflow overload, but I think it's okay. Yeah. I don't know how I can adjust, if I can adjust this laptop. Not sure if I can adjust this laptop's fans. I haven't tried it yet. Is it the Legion Arena? I want to FN plus Q. It's the quiet, auto. It's there. It's only auto and quiet. But yeah, I haven't. I don't know. I guess it's an option to try out the fans in full blast. But anyway, it's just an unboxing. Hope you guys can hear me. Please like, subscribe, and welcome to Bingo International Airport currently. I mean, imagine everything in here maxed out. We got the air purifier, this one, and let's try the inverter next time. There's so much noise in here. Anyway, I'll see you guys next one.